equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of changing the memory and cleaning the internals of your MSI MS17G1 laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this could damage the casing. Now, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the memory slots. If you are upgrading, gently release the clips on either side of the existing memory module. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery at your home service can make this process hassle-free. Once the old memory is removed, take your new memory module and align it with the slot. Insert it at a 30-degree angle and press down until the clips click into place. Ensure it is securely fitted. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internals. Using your can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heatsinks. This is essential for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture from escaping. After cleaning, take a moment to inspect the thermal paste on the CPU. If it appears dry or cracked, consider replacing it for better heat transfer. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste if necessary, spreading it evenly across the CPU surface. Once you have completed the memory upgrade and cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can always reach out to us for assistance if needed. Finally, reconnect the battery and power up your laptop. Check the system properties to ensure the new memory is recognized. If everything looks good, you're all set. Enjoy the improved performance of your MSI MS17G1. And remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.